did what again?
Yeah. You tossing them high, but you going short, you lost again. Short, you lost again. Round one to the champ.
Alright. I took the L with that one.
Round one to the champ.
Not to the champ, but I took the L for that one. But that's because them.
Have you ever had love? Have you never won? Have you ever had wins? Ever lost a touch? Have you ever had love? Have you never won? Have you ever had wins? Lost a touch? Ooh, ooh. Have you ever had wins? Lost a time.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, hello.
Go.
Hey guys, it's Camille. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, please take 2 seconds out to subscribe, and I'll wait because I got the time. But if this is you returning back to my channel, welcome back and thanks for stopping by. But today I will be doing an egg challenge. Egg toss challenge.
Egg toss challenge. That's good. It's like an egg toss challenge.
Okay. Today I will be doing the egg toss challenge. So basically, we're gonna start. Me and my boyfriend, we're gonna start off with 1 egg. We're gonna toss 1 egg back and forth. Then we're gonna add another egg, and we're gonna keep adding eggs until somebody drops it. No, that's not it.
That's not it.
What is it?
Hey, I'm like, don't say you're doing this, you steady go.
Alright guys, so today me and my boyfriend will be doing the egg toss challenge. And honestly, my boyfriend is a baseball player, MVP. So he's really good. So hopefully I can catch some stuff. But I feel like I play volleyball, so I could adapt to anything. But volleyball is not catching, but still, I can do it. But anyways, yeah, so I'm about to challenge my boyfriend to this egg challenge. And I'm going to freaking throw eggs with a baseball player. Don't mind. Don't mind my baby Midnight. I just got a puppy, but I'll show you guys her at the end. All right, let's get to the video. All right, guys, so round 1, we're gonna keep it easy, and we're gonna do the basic 2-hand catch with the eggs. So let's get to it.
I don't feel sad though. I'm sorry, baby.
Before we start, you're probably wondering, like, okay, wasn't your hair just straight with a wig on? Yes, but I took that off because I don't want eggs in my freaking hair. So yeah, this is how I'm going to be recorded today. So yeah, baby. I did what again?
Yeah. You tossing them high, but you going short, you lost again. Round one to the champ.
Alright, I took the L with that one.
Round one to the champ.
Not to the champ, but I took the L for that one. But that's because them. Damn. I lost that round.
Bro, you threw that hard as hell at me.
What are you expecting?
You threw it dead at me. Disqualified.
No, but I won though.
You did have. You dropped an egg too.
Oh, we both lost that one. Alright, so we both dropped the egg on that one. Alright, guys. Okay, guys, so we have, thank you. Okay, guys, so we have one last round. In the last round, we're gonna turn around, clap, and then we're gonna toss 2 eggs, and we gotta catch them. So, all right, go ahead.
Champion. Oh yeah, I won that one. sir.
Okay, wait.
Yes, sir.
Wait, let's do one more. We got one more.
No. Get myself. Am I recording?
Yeah. Wait, is it recording? Yeah.
Oh yeah. So I won.
Don't do it yet.
So I'm done. It's me. I don't need that. No, me. I'm good. I look good. So yeah, I won that one. You know, I'm the champion. Hands of a god. Hold on. Let me show y'all something.
Oh my gosh.
Y'all see what that say? MVP. Oops. Hold on.
Can I see?
So you did that. I'm good.
No, see.
Just the reason I won. No other reason. Just because I'm the greatest to do it.
Guys, this is my new baby, the new addition, Midnight. Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy. Don't interrupt our video today, please, mommy. You're gonna be a good girl. Alright, guys. So basically, I freaking took an L to another challenge and Wesley won, but he's not gonna win everything. But look at our baby Midnight. Mama.
It's a little dark right now. We're gonna drop.
It's a little dark.
Yeah, we're gonna drop some videos at the end of this video of it. We got some new stuff coming. New addition to the channel coming soon. She'll let you know about that.
For sure.
And I'm gonna win every challenge.
No.
Pretty much everything.
Midnight gonna win before you.
Nah, she gonna win before you.
Midnight.
Sleepy.
Midnight, mama. Midnight. She like, who the Midnight. Mama. Mama. Give me a kiss, kiss. No? You sniffing me? You like that right now? Can I have a kiss? She acting brand new on this camera.
She know who she rock with.
She rock with me too. Can I have a kiss? Give me a kiss. Thank you. Thank you, mama.
That ain't good girl.
Alright, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, share. Coming back with more videos. But yeah, bye.
This might be it right here. I might just drop a tip right here. Just that shit they gon' hit right here. Just that shit right here. I might just drop a tip right here. Just that shit they gon' feel right here. Just that shit they